Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I have some products that I want to update you on, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So today we are filming a speed review. I have kinda lost my voice and my nose is pretty stuffed, so sorry about my voice. Let's start. I have some products that I want to update you on, and I just filmed my low buy update, so I want to buy less makeup. That is my goal. That was always my goal, but I want to be even better. So let's start in no particular order. The first product that I want to talk about is this mini in here. It is the Moroccanoil hair treatment for fine or light colored hair, and I think I mentioned this product a bit ago, but I want to mention it again. It is a nice product if you have pretty frizzy hair and if you want to put some oil on the ends of your hair, but it's not something for me. I got this one in a kit from Sephora or something as a gift, so I'm not gonna repurchase it. It's not something for me because I have very fine hair, so I want something with volume and something to add a bit of texture, not the exact opposite thing. But if you want to straighten your hair, I think this product is very nice, but it's not something for me. Then I have another hair oil. This is from Fable and Maine, and this is for the roots, so this is different, and I did purchase this one. I just want to take care of my roots a bit better, so I'm using this one right now and I do enjoy it. You are supposed to add a bit of this and leave it overnight or at least 5 minutes. I've been letting it sit in my hair for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 hours, and then you are just cleaning your hair normally, and it is very nice. Then I decided to purchase the kit from Sol de Janeiro with the spray. This is the Brazilian Crush number 62, and I went through one of these and it's absolutely lovely. I really like the smell of it, so I decided to buy the balm cream and the moisturizing shower gel, and these two are actually not for me, so I should have just repurchased the spray if I wanted, so, but I was curious anyway. So I don't use body cream that often because I just don't enjoy it, but this one is just a bit too thick in my opinion. It is nice in a way. It's not a bad cream, don't get me wrong, it is a really good cream, but I like the smell of me trying right now to smell it with my stuffed nose, so I just prefer the spray. That is the gist of it. I just prefer the spray. This is a nice cream, but it's too expensive in my opinion, and similarly to this, it is a nice shower gel, but it's nothing special about those in my opinion. Then I have the Inkey List Collagen Peptide Serum. This is a hydrating serum. I really enjoy it, so I do want to mention that as well. What else do I have in here? I have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado, and again, this is very expensive. I got this one from a friend, but this one is nice. Will I repurchase it? Probably not, because it's just too expensive in my opinion. But if you want to splurge on something and you were eyeing this one, it is a good product. It is a thick cream. It looks something like this. I've been using it a lot, and it is very, very, very hydrating for your eyelids, so it is a great product. Then I tried two products from Korres. They are now available in Romania, and a friend gave these ones to me. I have the foaming cream cleanser and the gel cream, both from the yogurt Greek yogurt whatever collection. These are nice. I do like them, but again, I do have a pretty defined skincare routine, and I do like my skincare routine. I do like trying from time to time new stuff, but for something to become part of my skincare routine, it needs to add something different. So I will use these two up for sure because they are nice, but for me to repurchase something, it needs to be something very, very nice, very good, and at a good price point as well. These are like mid-range. The foaming cleanser is just a normal cleanser. I'm gonna use this one probably in the morning I've been doing that because my dermatologist mentioned that. I am using cleanser in the morning as well. It is a nice one, but the one from CeraVe that is hydrating is doing practically the same. So it's a good product, but not something, I almost dropped the cream. It's good, but not something revolutionary. And similarly to that, I have the gel cream from Korres. Really nice product, but is not wowing me. Let's move right now into makeup, and let's start with this Catrice illuminating stuff. And this wants to be, of course, a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless, and in my opinion it is a really good option and it's lovely. I really enjoy this one. Right now I have it mixed up with the NYX foundation, and then I have this one mixed up with the blush from Rare Beauty, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So if you were searching for something like this is a really nice option and a really good price. Let's talk about something that I really don't like, and is these ones. The Glowish Quad, I have it in the shade, in the color array Clay, and the lip balm. This is Coconut. They are just mediocre at most. Nothing special about them. The eyeshadows are, the mattes in here, you get 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. The mattes are fine. The shimmer is at most drugstore quality. It's so lackluster, so basic. Nothing about this quad screams high-end Sephora. And with this one as well, is not hydrating enough. It's wearing off my lips in like 20 minutes or even less. They are just not great products. In my eyes, they are not worth the money at all, and they are even worse than some very cheap drugstore products. For example, this one. This is the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. Just purchase something like this from the drugstore if you want something hydrating. I have the one in the shade Honey. It is the orange shade, and this is really nice. It is hydrating, it's not very pigmented. You get a bit of yellow, orangey color hue on your lips, but not something very pigmented. It looks really nice. It is hydrating, way better than that lip balm from Huda. So I do recommend something like that instead. Then I purchased a kit from McGrath with the palette that is Midnight Voyage, the mini palette, and then the eyeliner and the mascara. If you were looking for something like this, I recommend you to purchase just the palette if you have the option. I didn't have the option in my Sephora. It was available just in this kit. I really like the palette. The palette is very nice. It is expensive. You get so few grams of product in here, but the color story is beautiful. These shimmers are something else, so they are not comparable to the Glowish Quad, for example. This is way better quality, so I do enjoy this one, and I like that it is very small and travel friendly. These two I will not judge as products because they are so dried up. The mascara I'm wearing today, and I actually do like it, and that is only because with mascaras they are better after like 2-3 weeks after opening. So I just opened this one, it's brand new, it has like a week or something, so it's already kind of dried up, and this one is kind of unusable because it is pretty dry. If you are buying this separately, I could only assume that they are better. So the palette is nice, but the 2 other products are just too old in my opinion in the kit. 2 other products that I tested and they are lovely are the BH Cosmetics blush and highlighter. So the blush is beautiful. I'm wearing it on top of the Rare Beauty and Catrice highlighting combo. Not my favorite for sure, because I would like something a bit more shimmery, but it is a nice product, but you need to use a fluffy brush. Otherwise, this is very pigmented, so It looks really nice right now because I did blend it out and I put some highlighter on top. It is a nice product overall, but not my favorite, and it is a bit too pigmented in my opinion. This one, I think, no, I am sure this is my favorite product from all of these. It is a beautiful shade. I have it here, Sun Chaser, a beautiful shade, a really nice formula. It is not chunky or glittery or something like that. It's absolutely beautiful. This will become for sure one of my favorites, so it's absolutely lovely. I do recommend it, and again, it is from the drugstore. Then I have the Catrice Melted Sun Cream Bronzer, and this one I do recommend you to go one shade up. I am wearing it today. I have a bit of the Essence Powder Bronzer just on top. It is a beautiful bronzer. If you want the cream bronzer from the drugstore, I recommend the Revolution one over this one, because that is way more blendable and buildable and everything. This one is buildable as well and blendable, but it's not that easy to blend out. So I do recommend the Revolution one over the Catrice one. But if for some reason you still want this one, go one shade up. This is the shade number 20. It seems like a dark shade for me, but I am wearing it today. It is not that pigmented, so you can use a bit of a darker shade. Then I have a foundation. This is the Fenty Eavesdrop Tint Stick, and I have the shade 3. This is nice for me in the summer. I think it will be probably too dark in a couple of weeks. It is a beautiful stick foundation. I don't have that much experience with stick foundations. I think this is the only one that I tried actually, so I don't know anything about stick foundations, but I know foundations in general, and this is a good foundation. It is very creamy, easy to blend, and it looks pretty good. I actually like this one more than the liquid version. I tried the liquid version in a million ways and it was always feeling on me, but it was very long lasting, and I know a bunch of people that are in love with that one. So I still consider it a pretty good foundation, but I just prefer the stick. This is not that longer lasting, but is enough for me, and it looks way better on the skin in my opinion. Then I purchased the ABH lip liner, and this is in the shade Hazelnut, if I can remember correctly. Where is the name? Yes, Hazelnut. A beautiful shade, a really nice formula, but if you want something from the drugstore, I recommend just the NYX lip pencils. They are better in my opinion, and you have options. You can buy the suede formula, and it is pretty similar to this one. A bit of a stiffer pencil, but not unusable or something like that. And if you want something a bit more creamy, the Line Loud is one of my favorite, if not my favorite formula of lip liner. This is nice, but not my favorite formula. And then I purchased the Natasha Denona lip gloss from the My Dream collection. This is stunning. I have nothing but to say. It is very flattering, looks good on the lips, it is hydrating, and it's a really nice lip gloss. What can I say? I do appreciate it, and I'm happy that I bought it. I'm gonna use it a bunch. Then I purchased finally the e.l.f. lip stain. I bought the Huda Beauty lip stain, so I was very curious about this one as well, just to compare. In general, I think lip stains are not for me. I know how to use them now, which is great. The Huda Beauty one, you need to apply it, leave it for 30 seconds and then remove it and then put a gloss on top. That is the only way that I found for that to look good. But this one is a bit different. You can apply this one and leave it like that, and then apply a gloss after 2 hours or something like that. The Huda Beauty is stronger. This one is not leaving a very visible tint, but the one that is left is a bit gray, but gray in the greenish kind of way. This shade is kind of strange. I don't recommend you that shade. I think we have 3 products left, and one of them is the lipstick that I'm wearing today. It is from Nabla, and it's stunning. I really like this one. It is a beautiful red terracotta shade. I really like it. It is called Heatwave clay. The compact is very beautiful with white and gold. I really like it, and the shade is beautiful. The formula is matte and I really like it. So this lipstick is for sure a hit. And then another product that I really like, it is the Sephora Tint and Volume Brow Gel. I do have it on my brows today. Today I actually have two brow gels on, that is a bit extra. I have the Rare Beauty pencil first, and then I put this one on the tail of the brow, so from here to here, and then in the front in here I put the Too Faced, the one that is my favorite brow gel, and I really like how they look. Because this one in the inner part in here is just a bit too pigmented for that part. I do recommend this product. It is very good, very nice, and the brows are staying up. I actually really enjoy it. And lastly, we have the Tropical palette from Beauty Bay, and I really like this one. It's so bright, so colorful, and this formula is really great. The mattes are blendable, buildable, pigmented, and the shimmers are easy to pick up with your finger or with a brush. You can spray them and they are shimmery, glimmery, pigmented, and beautiful. So overall I found some really good products, this one and this one and this one. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.